Share Mele, taking you to the beautiful island of Hawaii. The Kona side, the south end. As with every island, there are very historical surfing spots. Of course, surfing was born and raised and conceived of our ali'i. Our chiefs were avid surfers. Until Duka Hanamoku took surfing to the world and made surfing the world sport as it is today. But we take you to that special spot of King David Kalakaua, a place known as He'eia off the south shore of Kona. There's an area called Kalahui Pua'a. Right there is where He'eia is and where he would often go to surf. It's also a mele that was made famous by none other than the late Gabby Pops, but it's called He'eia.
No Kalakaua.